everyone. My name is Kishore. I'm assistant professor working in AC department from BVRIT in Narsapur. Today I am going to discuss about data communication networks relevant one lab. That is a computer networks lab that relevant one software tool installation purpose. I am presenting this session. So that tool is nothing but it is a network simulator tool. So let's start the session. So before going to the installation process, I will give a little bit briefly about session. Okay. So this is a network simulator using NS2. NS2 is the version, and so what is the network? So network is nothing but it is a two or more devices will be combined, and it is exchanging the data and sharing the data. It's called networking. So coming to the computer network, it is a various computing devices. So we are going to discuss. So it is various computing devices connected to each other and exchanging the data. That is a representation of computer network. So, and the need of the computer network, it is a resource sharing, again information one to another sharing. Okay. So resources, common resources we can share. Example, suppose printer or anything, scanner. We can use multiple computer devices. Using we can print and we can scan it the images and everything. So that is a sharing the resources and the data folders and everything. Whatever common folder will be shared to different computers. That is a resource sharing. And information one to one means it is a communication exchange. So that is a computer network need we require. So for that we are using the tool, so NS2. So network simulation version 2. So it is especially used open source device, open source simulator, and designed for research purpose, computer network formation resource purpose. So we suppose we need to build a different type of networks, we require more computer devices. So it is a physical form of computers, we can't expect and we can't spend for that. So for that, how it is working computing devices, more than 10 or more than 2. So that analysis we can perform in the NS2 in virtual mode. Okay. So this network simulator software predict the behavior of the computer networks. So more than number of computers or computer devices or routers, anything, it is connected and how to exchanging the data we can observe, and what is the data loss and what is the uh, router to router transmission and node to node transmission, how it is taking, what is the disadvantages, what are the drawbacks, what is the delay, we can observe in this NS2 tool. And setting the network real experience. So we can't afford the 10 or more computers in a form of network. So in this virtual tool we can create number of nodes and number of computers and number of devices. We can observe the how it is working. Suppose we form a network, basic tree network or bus network, how it is performing, what is the drawbacks, how to one we sending one node to another node, how many intermittent nodes it is sharing, how it is sharing, how much time it taking, that all things we can observe in the study base in the computer network. And coming to the setting is in network, it is a not easy and costly. So that's why this reason virtually we are providing the network simulator and using experimentally in the computer. Okay. So one single computer we can build number of nodes and we can perform and we can check the working of the different type of networks in the NS2. Especially it is used for research, already I specified, it is a research purpose. And one more thing, we can most of the communication networks establishment purpose, it is a basic tool for research oriented. Let's see how to install. What is the basic requirements for NS? What is NS2 simulator? It is a model describe, already we discussed about this, is a network and the links and applications and events and transmission packets errors. Okay, so result performance and everything, we can send the packet information and receiving the packet information, throughput, delay packets, already I briefed about it. It is the we can analysis and we can observe in the NS2 tool. So what are the reasons for using NS2? So it is not required costly equipment, already specified. Suppose we can form a network, means we need more than one computer, more than one network device, so it is expensive, example routers or anything. So we can perform without costly equipment. In this simulation we can perform, then we can establish the practically. Okay, so complex scenario we can easily test it. It is a testing purpose. Complex scenario we can easily test it. And next, result can be quickly obtained, no need of out. So we can connect the network and we can process and we can check the output. More ideas can be implemented in smaller time span. Okay, so less time we can perform more complex networks and we can test and we can perform it. And collect the experimental conditions. So suppose example, I designed a new network, how it is working, what is the output, what is the drawback, what is the delay, how much time it is taking to one-to-one transmission. That all things we can observe in the NS2. That's why reason it is a more flexible. So these are the program oriented descriptions. We will see next session how it will be perform a TCL code and programming, what is the required, what is the parameter we observed, write a code. First we focus on the installation process. So normally NS2 architecture, it is a we are using TCL simulation script. So what is a TCL means? Tool command language. So it is tool command language. Simulated objectives is the C++, and it is output we are observing the OTCL, object oriented tool command language. So we observe the simulation result. What are the final output result? We observed in the NAM and as well as trace file. And one more thing is the xgraph. We can perform and we check the output of the network and how it is performing. So NAM means it is a network animator. We can visually observe the how many nodes we build, what is the link connections, what is the trace files, and what is the transmission procedure, what is the delay, everything we can observe in the trace file. So these are the terms we will discuss in the first programming time. Let's see the installation process. So what are the platforms? What are the platforms we can install the NS2? So Linux operated system, and we can use Windows also for installation purpose in our personal computer. So in Linux format we have different type of Linux. One is the Ubuntu and Fedora and Linux Mint. So in any type of Linux operating system we can install easily, we can perform. So today I am explaining about Ubuntu, and it is a version 24.04. okay, so in this it is relevant to 22, 18 and 21, like that. Previous OS also supporting same process. You can use any type of OS model, Ubuntu Linux model. We can use same procedure, it is okay, no problem. So in Windows we have to use the virtual box compulsory. So in virtual box it is uh, a separately window created, and in that we have to install the Ubuntu, same Ubuntu process, whatever we are doing today, that will be remaining process will be done. First we have to create virtual box, virtual toolbox. In that we have to install the Ubuntu, same remaining procedure same. Okay, so these are the platforms we required. So step by step installation purpose. So what is the requirements of softwares? So what is the requirement of softwares? Compulsory we required install NS all-in-one iPhone 2.35 software and download from this link. It is a open source software, we can use freely and we can install, no need of installation of license anything. So this is the commands we are going to start initially. How to procedure. So I'm going to my virtual screen of the computer, how to installing step, and step by step I will explain how it is will be going to installation. Okay, so this is a virtual tool, virtual screen of my computer. So I'm going to explain start the procedure. So first we have to open the Ubuntu, uh, and then we are going to open the terminal. Okay, so this is a terminal, and it is so first initially we have to check the it is which version of the Ubuntu. So that's purpose I am typing uh, cat space /etc/lsb. So it is a command I am using for check the which version of the uh, Ubuntu OS I am using. So if you observe, this is the Ubuntu distribution and releasing 24.04, and code name is the noble, and version is the 24.0.4. It is a we have to check which software we are using, which OS we are using. So next I am going to update this uh, system. So for that enter that, and then it is a password is your system password. So that you have to enter. When entering time it is not showing, no need, not shown, and if enter and type it and enter it, automatically it will go into upgrade. What are the libraries will be available, that will be updated. This is a process take few seconds. So sudo apt update, you need to update person. So next I need to updated, this is a command, so whatever I have that will be shared in the description, you can go through it, no problem. I'm taking from here, simply I need to finish as soon as possible, so that's why I'm taking copy paste. So first I'm pasting here. So first I'm repeating again sudo apt update. So automatically what and it asks the password is the your system password. So my password is the BVRIT123. I entered, it is not displayed when I am entering time, and type it and simply enter it, automatically correct means it is going to update. Okay, these are the complete update libraries, and then after that I am going to build the libraries menu. So for that this is a command. So this is the command sudo apt install build essentials auto configuration and automake library menu. So it is take sometimes, and I need to enter for top, that's why I'm clearing the previous all this data. Okay, all this data I am going to clear for purpose command is a clear, I am entered clear. So I cleared everything, and now I am going to next step. So for that it is already installed means updated. Next I need to uh, some library I need to install, that is a default achievement ubuntu.com relevant. So that's purpose that automatically it have to take means first I need to enter this command sudo nano /etc uh, sudo nano /etc /atp and /sources.list.d and /ubuntu.sources. So if you enter this command, automatically you have opened the one text file. So notepad like text file, in that you have to whatever I selected, that deb http terminal relevant, some link I given bionic main inverse. So this link I given, that automatically it will be taken from ubuntu source to updations. Any pending updations, anything is there, automatically it going to upgrade. So just I'm opened previously sudo nano terminal, and now I am pasting here. This is the whatever etc apt source list folder or text file. In that I am going to paste that link. Just I am pasting this. This is the ubuntu.com updated purpose. Automatically it will be take latest updations of everything. So just control X, it is ask yes or no, type it, it is yes means y, n means no, s means y I am typing, and then simple enter it. So automatically I am coming back again command mode. Again I need to update. So already I done initially updation, and again I need to sudo apt update after this link. If you observe what is the achiever.ubuntu.com updations, what is going to upgraded, so that we can observe in the below. It take few minutes based on the internet and as well as your system performance. It takes sometimes. So after completion you can observe the how it is performing. So before updation we can check the download. So we have to download NS2 software from a given link. It is a open source download link. We can download from here. So I'm downloading. So it is the source web page. We can download here. I already downloaded NS2 and NS all in one, like that it is named, already download. I am showing it is a NS2 zip file. So if you want extract this one, you can directly extract it, and otherwise there is a process to extract in the command window also. So already I extracted here. We need to find out the location where we are pasting that particular folder, NS2 all in one -2.35 folder, where we are pasting that path. Very important. I am creating here new folder Kishore desktop. If you observe, it is a home, desktop and Kishore folder. In that I am pasting that folder. This location very important. This path is very important. In finishing level time, we have to give this path to access the tool. Okay, remember that. So it is already upgraded. So if you observe achiever archive dot ubuntu website up. Next in this we have the some libraries is there. So some libraries is there. So if you observe, I selected, it is the location from NS all in one iPhone 2.35 NS. In that we have different type of folders, NS iPhone 2.35 and OTCL and NOM and xgraph. In these four folders we have to change the one particular makefile library. Why it is required means, in Ubuntu 24.04 there is no provision for automatically taken C and C++ libraries. C and C++ compiler relevant libraries So for that, in this folder make file, we have to change small changes. It is not automatically updated. That's why we are to manually change that C and C++, okay, that relevant compiler library instructions. So in these 4 folders I am going to and change everything. Let's see how it is going to perform. So this is a GCC minus 4.8 and G++ minus 4.8 compilers. Okay, compilers not present in the Ubuntu 20.04 and 24.0 up to. We need to install and we need to open terminally set up. So for that, you sudo nano gedit we have to require. In that through and particularly path we have to go check. So first these are the points I am going to explain. So first, if you check, it is a desktop and Kishore and NS all in one iPhone 2.35 folder. In this folder a make file I am going to check and edit that 36 and 37 line, if you observe. So I am entering the desktop directory and next I am typing the my folder Kishore I created na. So Kishore folder and next what are the list it is available, we can check it. ls means list, we can check it. In this Kishore folder we have the one zip file folder and one is the unzipped folder. So that is ns all in one -2.35. So I am entering the ns all in one 2.35 in the folder. In this folder I need to check what are the folders available. So I typed again ls. In that I am going to ns-2.35. So again I need to enter it is available or not, check it. It is available. Yes, so it is available. So that directory I am going to enter cd ns-2.35 ns 2.35. So I am entering that particular folder or directory, and again in that I need to edit sudo nano make file. I need to select make file capital M, remaining all small, make file dot in. File name is the in. Sometimes it is a make file dot h also there, but don't use it. Just go to the make file dot in. So now I enter that editing mode. If you observe, this is the line 36 and 36 and 37. Okay, 36. I need to replace GCC iPhone 4.8 in the CC and CPP opposite. I need to enter G++ iPhone 4.8. It is the compiler libraries I am going to upgrade. So CCC equal to GCC iPhone 4.8 I am replacing, and opposite the CPP I am entering G++ iPhone 4.8. okay, I changed it. So after changing, just Control X, it asks to save it, modify, S, Y enter and enter. Again you get the main desktop, enter just Y, it is automatically saved. And next I need to change in norm. One folder is completed, second folder I am going to check. So I am already in the NS 2.25 folder. I come back to main folder, it is NS all in one. I came cd double dot, okay, cd space double dot means we visit the previous folder. In that I am going to enter again norm norm iPhone 1.15 and again make file I am going to edit. In that line number same, it is you have to identify which is the line number, again I given in the PPT. Again C++, if you already visible, it is a CC and C++. Again we have to modify, it is a GCC. So @CC we have to remove and we have to add it GCC iPhone 4.8 gcc hyphen 4.8, and in cpp opposite I am removing that whatever text. Again I am replacing the g plus plus hyphen 4.8. Again control x, y, modification done, and enter, y and enter. Automatically file will be saved. Again next it is a completed, and third folder it is a OTCL. In that also make file is there, we have to modify in 11 edit line 7, edit line 7. In that OTCL only we have the GCC library, GCC hyphen 4 point library only available, no G++. Okay, don't search for that, it is only available only GCC. So I'm going to previous folder NS all-in-one, again entering the OTCL folder, OTCL hyphen 1.14 cd space, change the directory OTCL 1.14 I am going to enter. So again entered and type it sudo nano makefile.in. Automatically we entered in the, it is a makefile for OTCL. I am changing the CC opposite @cc replacing with GCC hyphen 4.8. Okay, it is completed. Modify yes and enter. And next fourth folder is there na, fourth folder we have to change it. So that is a X graph. So it is X graph, same NS all-in-one 2.1. We have to reach the previous folder, main folder, and I need to enter X graph folder, X graph hyphen 12 cd space X graph hyphen 12.2. When I am copy pasting time, it is getting some errors. So please check it and enter correct name of the folder. And entering again sudo nano makefile.in and entered. Again here also we have the cc and cpp. So opposite we have to change, replace the gcc hyphen 4.8 and g++ hyphen 4.8. So if you find this one I'm going to change, and this one after 2 lines it is available cpp. It is not continuously showing, after 2 lines it is showing cpp. Okay. So first I am changing cpp, it is a gcc hyphen 4.8, and next cpp it is a g++ hyphen 4.8. If you need modification, again control X and YS, save it and enter. Type Y and enter. You go directly command prompt. Again here we changed the 4, and we have the final change, it is the path direction, some error available in the bash some file. We will check, this is the error. So it is a in this link state NS hyphen 2.35 link. Okay, link. So in that 137 line we have to change, there is a this hyphen greater than symbol not available, arrow mark, like we have to add that this hyphen greater than, like it is a arrow symbol, we have to add that in the link state file. So I am entering NS 2.35 and again link state folder. In that again sudo nano makefile, not makefile, sorry, it is a ls.h file. So if you observe this, it is a ls.h file, open it, ls.h file. in that 137 line. How to find the line number? So we have number of if you enter in sudo nano, it's showing below the bar, it is how to find the location. We have to read it 655 lines. In that shift C, it is the enter 137 line. Automatically it line showing, if you observe here. So here I am entering void error all bracket after inside this hyphen greater than symbol. So this is a data I am entered in that. That is no changes, no erasing. Just I am entered this hyphen greater than symbol. Okay, and save it. Yes. So this is all library settings initially you need to run. So up to here all compiler and settings completed. Now we have to go to the desktop NS all-in-one, and you have to install the NS2. It take 10 to 20 minutes based on the your system performance. It will be take 10 to 20 minutes install the completely NS2. So I'm going to main NS all-in-one hyphen 2.35 folder. In that we have already install command. Just I am typing. If you observe, it is the install command in the NS all-in-one, and I am entering dot slash install. So it is going to installing. Okay. So before without changing the these all compiler and GCC and G++ and that this is error everything, it is getting installation process time, it is some error, there is no compiler uh, upgradation, and these errors will be shown in the installation process. So it is now it is completely easy to install. All settings will be initially set up. Okay. I told now it is take 20 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes. I am skipping this process. Okay. So now I am explaining about so path I specified, it is the path where is our NS all-in-one hyphen 2.3 folder. That path is very important. That path we have to give in the library path and as well as path direction. So how to identify your particular NS all-in-one location? So if you are done installation, in that it will be shown like this: home, BVRIT, desktop, Kishore, and NS all-in-one. This is my path. So this path I am going to upgrade in the library path and as well as direction path. Okay. So that's why I'm copying this path. If you go scroll upside installation, it will be show the particular path. Okay. Clear? If you observe this one, this is a path, this is also path. It is a correct path. Okay. I'm just copying this and pasting somewhere in notepad. Okay. So remember this, I take this one and update in the particular path. Okay. So now this is the next processor. So I need to assign the path. So I need to assign the path. So in this path, how to assign means gedit we require for a path assignment purpose. So that's why I'm using the NS all-in-one. We have to go to the direction again. Desktop NS all-in-one, Kishore NS all-in-one 2.5. It is a PPT different path, and I'm using a different path. So my path direction I need to enter NS all-in-one. Again I need to type the gedit summation / dot BASHRC bars. Okay. barch file we have to enter, and we need to set the path and library path. So replace the path and library path. So how to change it we will see in the command prompt. So first we need to install the gedit. So for this it is available or not we have to check. That purpose I am entering sudo apt install gedit. So first I need to clear this all updated. I am clearing initially, and then it is enter the top up command prompt. So I need to gedit. It is sudo apt gedit is the command, install gedit. Sudo apt install gedit. Just simply enter, it is update within few seconds. I'm repeat entering, some error is there. Okay, install, spelling mistake, okay, sorry. So it is install completed, done. Okay, so now I need to enter gedit summation, sorry, so it is the, so let's I will repeat, sorry. So after completion gedit I need to enter gedit barch file. Okay, gedit of barch file. So for that it is a command. Okay, I am entering this command barch dot. So it is a text file of the dot barch file. If you observe here, it is a dot bashrc file. In that it is a library expert. Okay, so for that I given a description what is the path will be, we have to arrange. So how to arrange the path, what is the model of the path. So this is my path, that path will be replaced here. So if you observe, this is a two, one is the library path and another one is the path equal to path. These two lines I am going to replace it. Okay, so I taken from a command prompt what is a text file in comment I given. So as it is I taken and changing the path. So my path assigning, if you observe, export path equal to dollar path equal to home student. It is the previously some instructions I taken. So I am replacing that path. If you observe, ns up to ns all in one I am changing. Okay, home BVRIT desktop Kishore ns all in one. Whatever it is required, that I am going to change my path. One second time it is changed, and it is the third time in the export path. I am changing third place. Check it again. Again in the library also we have to change. Home student ns all in one removing, and I am placing the my particular path. Okay, I am entering the particular path. 1 and 2. So in export path, 3 places we have to replace, and in LD library path we have to change 2 places. Okay, clear? So you can check it. Okay, it is completed, and control X, save it, and after saving it is, we have to run this command source bar, we have to check same gedit, remove it and place the source. So when we type and enter, it is it automatically enter the next line. There is no error will be shown. Okay, it is means then it is okay. Source /dot/brc we have to enter. So it is showing many time I entered, it is the same, there is no change. Okay, so now I need to enter the main in ns install. So now it is completed, means we have to check it is successfully installed or not. We have to check it is a installed apt ns2. sudo apt install ns2. So this is a final installation process. So sudo apt install. After that you have to check it is a it take few seconds, and after that it have to check when we enter the ns automatically show the percentage symbol, means you successfully installed ns2 in the your ubuntu. So it going to sometimes upgradation and the installation process. So it is completed 100%, means okay, it is completed. So now we have to check it is successfully completed or not. We have to enter ns in command prompt, then it will be show the percentage symbol. Okay, I'm typing ns, enter. So it is showing the percentage symbol and trying to enter, it is percent. Okay, now it is okay. Now come back to command prompt. Okay, it is successfully completed, percentage symbol means escape, and now I'm in the home page. So now I need to, it is only completed NS2 installation. Now I need to simulator output checking softwares, that is a NAM, network animator tool I need to install. For that it is a download location I will share in the description. So this is the folder NAM underscore 1.14 AMD 64.deb. So it is a download location. You will get like this, download it. So that folder, that zip file, you have to take ns all in one here. Okay, so it is available in the download. So take it that particular library name in. Okay, it is going to download. Okay, it is completed. I am going to take it is only 700 and 800 kb only. So now I need to install again xgraph also. It is a graphical representation output verification purpose. So I downloaded both NAM and xgraph. Location will be given in the description. Go through it for download purpose. Entered desktop and Kishore. Entered in the Kishore. This path is very important. So Kishore and NS all in one. I pasted here. I am remaining. So it is make it same name, and that name is very important. You have to run that clearly. Okay. So enter the cd desktop and cd Kishore folder and enter to ns all in one. So I need to clear this all. I need to enter top of the command prompt. So that's why I'm clearing this. So now first we have to install the NAM. That purpose, it is a zipped file, so I need to install and unzip purpose. It is a using command. Check the command and what is the command I given, and folder name is same or not. It is different means it is not going to install. Sudo space dpkg space hyphen install space file name I am exact giving what is I downloaded. Okay, if it is one word change means not going to install and some error will be shown. So it is already installed. Now I am going to check it is running or not. So first I am checking source BRC and it is okay without error. Now enter the NAM. Okay, NAM, enter it. It is going to NAM console version 1.14. So it is a network animator. So after program running, you have to enter NAM means file NAM and space, and file name means automatically whatever nodes uses file that will be shown graphically, and animated related projection will be you can observe. Now we enter the X graph. It is a one of the output simulation output result purpose. We can observe the graphical representation of XY. So now I am taking that, extracting that X graph zip file. It is extracted and installed. Now check it. It is a so I need to one again b dot bashrc. In that I need to assign the X graph relevant path. This is the final change in the dot bars barc bashrc in file. It is the final change. I am entering a gedit dot barc and bashrc. So entered. In that we have already given the expert path and as well as expert library path. I am going to add final path. It is given in the link description command of this video. You can check it. That completely copy and paste it. Aligns allies X graph. So here also we have to change the path. So already home student is there. I am replacing that my particular path. So Kishore, up to Kishore I am changing because my X graph folder is available in the Kishore folder. So that's why I am changing. Don't paste up to NS all in one. Where is your X graph folder? Up to that you have to give the path. Okay. So again save it and close it. Now it is X graph will be run. Check it, is it successfully, any errors is there? No, it is okay. Now you have to enter X graph, type it and enter. You will get like this X graph output. So we checked NS installation as well as norm and as well as X graph. So this is the installation process. I giving whatever step by step installation process, that all things, what are the commands required, that I am going to give in the video below description. Go through it and download links also. This copy I am saving in the description. Go through it. Thank you. Now it's successfully completed installation of NS2, NAM and as well as X graph. Thank you. Next class, next session we will see how to write a one TCL script and how to perform the network animator. Thank you.
Vishnu Audio Visual Center, like and share and subscribe and click bell icon.